The 18-volt X2 LXT brushless 7 1/2-inch compound miter saw. It's powered by two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, so you get 36-volt power and runtime, but without leaving the 18-volt battery platform. The efficient Makita brushless motor with soft start delivers 5,700 RPM. Makita's automatic speed change technology adjusts the cutting speed and torque for optimum performance under load for faster and consistent cuts. With a direct drive gearbox, the blade gets consistent power from the motor with no belt to slip or replace. For smooth cutting and dead-on accuracy, cut after cut, Makita created a 4-steel rail sliding system with linear ball bearings. And you get plenty of capacity. It will cross-cut a 2x12 at 90 degrees and a 2x8 at 45. The XSL02Z is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. The powerful and portable cutting solution is a must-have for remodelers, flooring contractors, cabinet installers, case and base installers, and more. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.